Yo guys, welcome back to Jaku's Tech. So today we are doing a 2025 review of CoinpayU. I'm recording this video from Uganda, guys. So for guys who don't know CoinpayU has been used for so long. It started way back in 2018. So you can see it's rated excellent by over 7,000 users, and you see the score is 4.9. So when you want to sign up for CoinpayU, it's so free. You can just put in your email address, or you can sign up using your Google, and directly it will just enter. So basically, me or you, if you have an account, you can basically come and log in. So login just requires you to enter an email address and then the password, and then you wait for the captcha to resolve, and then you click login. So basically, this is my dashboard. So you can see I'm in level 7 bronze. That's my main balance. That's my purchase balance. So we are starting the video straight away by viewing the first ad. I want to go with you guys so quick, so you're going to bear with me. If you have any questions, you will ask in the comment section. I'll leave a link for this website on my my video description. So when you're viewing an ad, you basically click on it, and then the time for you to view that website will start counting down. So like for this one, it was 15 seconds, so it keeps counting down from 15 seconds downward. When it clocks to 0, you can basically close it like that, and then you'll see that you have earned such number of coins corresponding to the time. So basically, framed ads are not yet right now here, otherwise I would have recorded a video with the framed ads. So let's go to the next section of offers. So with offers, CoinpayU normally puts offers mostly for Android devices. Now let's click on one offer and check really what is there in offers. Now in offers, you can see that offer is about 41,270. That's around $41. So in that offer, actually it keeps paying you according to each level you reach. The offer is under a game. It's an Android game, so you just basically need to download it on Play Store, and then you keep playing it, and then every level you reach, and you keep getting paid. So basically, you need to complete this offer within 30 days, meaning from the time you download the app up to the time you play it, up to when you reach the highest level, which is level 40. It should be within 30 days, and then your money accumulates up to the total of $41. So basically that is it. So when you want to really start an offer, you press start offer, and then it will redirect you to Play Store, where you download the app, and then do other things, and then you start playing the game. That's basically it. So let me close it, because I want to talk briefly about them. So that's about offers. And then every offer which you start basically goes to the section of started, where I've clicked. So like me, I have no offer in progress, so I didn't start an offer. And then the offers which you complete within the 30 days, it goes to that section. So there are offers I did and I completed, so that's the money I earned, like $7.5. So let's go to the section of surveys. Okay, with surveys, I just recommend you guys to keep checking surveys each time you log in CoinpayU. CoinpayU keeps tracking you, keeps tracking your activity on its website. So the more times you check surveys, the more times CoinpayU gives you surveys to do, because it keeps seeing that you're checking surveys, so you want them. So it gives you surveys and you do, and the guys who are in CoinpayU knows how much surveys pay. If you're not there on CoinpayU, surveys have almost the best payments within a short period of time. That's why they're so good. I really like them. So that's briefly about surveys, guys. Check surveys and get more surveys with CoinpayU and earn more. So let's go to the next section of tasks. Now here with tasks, CoinpayU has advertisers who post different tasks for users, like earners, to earn by doing the task. The advertisers are just human beings like us. So what you need to do is you just need to read carefully each task and do it according to that advertiser, and follow the steps, and then you send all your proofs, and then you get paid. So for example, this task, it wants you to sign up in that website. I think it's called Aviso. and then you watch at least 100 ads. And then so when you start it, you have to put a proof of completion. According to this advertiser, it wants a username, meaning it is the username you created with that account in that Avisa stuff. And then you provide an image proof of the profile, meaning he wants to see whether you really viewed that 100 views of ads in that website he has recommended you to go to. So basically, after doing all those and submitting the image proof, you click on submit button and then you submit the task. So basically, that is what you do about tasks. So now the section of my task here, this is where the task which you do, like you complete doing and submit, comes this part, and then it stays under pending. So that's it about task. So now the last section I'm going to talk about is the advertise button. But now with advertise, I'm not going to talk much because it's a lot. So if you have any question, just put on the comment section. Bye bye.